there, today I got a descending lick for you in A Aeolian minor. It's a repeating motive played across a 3 notes per string scale shape. Here's the scale shape, I call it shape number 6 and it stands for A Aeolian. And now the lick, starting with a starting motive. Again. I used this starting motive to bring us in this position, and now I play the same motive but more spread across the strings. I start again at the highest note. And this one is actually the motive that repeats now. There, I got a nice melodic run for you in G major. It's made of 2 descending melodic lines that are similar in concept. The concept for the plectrum is letting it fall upwards through the strings. And now I'm going to show you the first run with a distinctive number of notes on each string. It's 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. This way we get the rhythm I just explained what we have in the right hand. Here are the notes, including pull-offs and slides, very slow. Again. And now the second run. Again. And together.